Bwana asifiwe sana. Usifanye watu waanze kuforge ushuhuda kwa matanga yako. Usifanye watu waanze kutafuta mambo ya kusema kwa matanga yako. Waru mwiti babore waru mwiti da. Waru muhei babore waru muhei da. Waru mwimani babore waru muhana. Waru mundu ukukubanya bandu babore waru mundu birembe. Okore ibindu guwazo sose kuri Katarina sosi ndi abandu babene babora maliga gogo. Ambia mwenzako watu wawe na kitu ya kusema. Maana mnafanya sisi hata watu wa kuandika historia na tributes tunakuwa na wakati mgumu. Kwa maana kwa Kiluya hatuwezi kuandika kwa tribute ya kwamba wewe ulikuwa mwizi na umekufa na kuku ya wizi. Hatuwezi kuandika kwa tribute ya kwamba ulikuwa mfitini na umekufa kama umegawanya kijiji chote. Hatuwezi kuandika ya kwamba waro muhei no waya na bandu bosi kaliwa kubisabu tukamia 100-200. Kuna kuandika mu history ndi waro murojidara, lakini wabe kama kadasi gabana hasi nyingo. Yibi no muhei, yibi no muroji, yibi no mwiti, yibi no mwibi, lakini kandro pande rondero oziza mwibugana na kuhandike ki. So make sure when you are living, you are writing your history and you are writing your tribute. So that when your time comes, we don't waste time cheating people in the funeral. Because Luyas we believe, umukuzo no muyanze. Chikiro umukuzo no muyanze, pa kuzunguke na magana kobora, yakorada, orombe dieta, no kere modo. Orombe testimony, no kere modo. Osengere kugirigare, osengere kunasare, osengere kumangana gumanyigaromba. Nobe nibitieri bindi bintu byoromba bidamanu orakure hasi. Kohenze kumwami chigira Yesu irana. Niye nobe hai. Obe kumukonoke. Obe tiyari kuja mwiguru noko be nibintu bikumusa enyima. Kosengere kugirigare. Kosengere kunasa. Korombe ameta getu. Mana nza koma kuna bandu besiasa. Bandu bishiga. Mamuko gati kobe hala. Caleb zakatoa na bora ho nziye Caleb. Ni Caleb. Lakini bandu bisiasa bibishiga. Urwambora kobe hala. Mbe hala. Mbe hala. Chigia no henzi byama binyingi bitanga mu Kenya bitangira ibishika gabura bandu bibishiga. Na munye mukugada handi kobe hala. Mamuromba bakere mukera bemba abeni leso ya ODM, abeni leso ya ANC, abeni leso ya Tanga, abeni leso ya kuna kogenda ndi paka mareso ka DCP, mareso kutona gake. Chikira barindi betu bakweshi betu sibakobona burungi hakuzia mamureka mudawaje baza mbuki museka mureka mbukino na ni museka leka babe decision amwana numusiro aromba bad decisions because we don't stand with him. We have to make order even in politics, so that when churches are uniting to pray for our leaders, I should not be looked as a traitor. So when we are talking about doing the right thing, even politicians should do the right thing. Should lead us well. As the church is leading you well, even you as politicians should lead us well with a purpose and with a reason of unity. So we should stand right in the things of God. We should stand right in the things that are happening even in the nation today. I have been hearing my brother Kagesi talk about the wife. When the wife was sick, when the wife was doing what? As much as politicians and MPs are pushing the agendas for finances, why can't we push agendas for free cancer medication? So that we have a bill in parliament that can help even the poor get free cancer treatment. Madigaga kumweri gukwengine Maria gatano ganzi za gabando bakuzi na kansa. Lakini ndo I saw in the budget that was read on Tuesday or on Thursday, mpaka wanaweka pesa ya condoms. Wanaweka pesa sijui ya nini. And they are giving cancer 8 billion Kenya shillings. What will 8 billion Kenya shillings do with cancer? We should have serious leaders who know the needs of the people in Kenya. Wakenya hawataki condoms, wataka cancer treatment. Wakenya hawataki mambo ya MPs kupata mileage. They want cancer treatment. Wakenya wanataka chakula kwa manyumba zao. Wakenya wanataka amani. It is wrong when we go to parliament to discuss about the death of a young man who was killed by the police, but you don't want to say those policemen. It is wrong. We should be discussing bigger agendas. The young man was killed by the police. The police who got him from Homa Bay to Nairobi should be arrested. So when we stand in a place like this, we are supposed to know why God has put us in a position. Number one, God has called us to be humble. He has called us to respect other people. He has called us to unite and build one nation. Paul tells Timothy, the time of my departure has come. I'm being poured like a drink. But one thing that Paul says is, I have fought a good fight. Are you fighting a good fight? Number two, I have kept the faith. Have you kept the faith? Number three, I have finished the race. Have you finished the race? Number four, I'm ready for the crown. Are you ready for the crown? Let us stand together as we pray.